Actually, there was an interesting study that showed that if a person sleeps less than 7 hours, mortality increases by 15%. And if they sleep more than 10 hours, then mortality increases by 30%.
That's correlation, not causal.
Yes, but it's interesting. Those people who sleep more than 10 hours, they're not just long sleepers, but those who used to get by on 7 or 8, and then something started happening in their sleep. They got sick. Pathological conditions, snoring, apnea, restless leg syndrome, which made their sleep ineffective, and so it began to increase.